This week, health officials upped their warning on the spread of the coronavirus, saying it's not a matter of if, but when it will happen here in the U.S.
It has many in our area thinking seriously about how to prepare. News 13's Caitlin Penter spoke with health officials about what schools are doing to prevent the spread of the deadly virus. Caitlin, they're getting ready.
They are, and Haywood County's medical director says on average, someone infected with the coronavirus will spread it to at least 2 others. He says it's better to be over-prepared for this.
Wash your hands, and also don't touch your face and your mouth. The symptoms are similar to other respiratory infections, so fever, cough, runny nose, shortness of breath.
State and local officials call the coronavirus a rapidly evolving situation. Although there are no confirmed cases in North Carolina, the 15 confirmed already in the U.S. are causing schools to be on high alert.
Our role is to prevent the movement of the virus. We would be rapidly identifying contacts.
Many of the school districts in our area make their decisions based on what the county health department says. In Haywood County, the public health director says he's been in contact all week with school officials.
We have 2 plans that we're working from very carefully: our isolation and quarantine plan and our pandemic influenza response plan.
County health officials know when someone has traveled somewhere that would put them at risk for getting the coronavirus.
If there is a person who is identified, we're going to know that, and we're going to have that person isolated in their home.
They're also monitoring people who are more likely to get the virus.
People over 65, people with diabetes, and people with cardiac issues.
In Buncombe County, the county's medical director says she's working primarily with the school nurses, who then report to administrators. She says if there is a coronavirus outbreak at a school, closing the school will depend on the situation.
Black gun owners. News 13's Justin Hinton joins us live from Rex's indoor gun range in Henderson County.
Yeah, that's right. Matt Gash comes to this range, and he also teaches classes at Christian Life Church. He says he wants more African Americans to follow his lead, but he says getting them on board isn't always easy. Rex's indoor gun range is a stop Matt Gash makes 2 to 3 times a week, and he's hoping more African Americans will get educated, pick up a gun, and join him.
It's a real challenge getting people to actually step up and say, well, I guess I will take advantage of those rights.
It's one of the reasons why he started the African American Protecting of Community Gun Club, a chapter of the National African American Gun Association. It's a few years old, but he says there are only half a dozen members. He says that's partly because of the fear some black people have if they were to legally carry and have a run-in with the cops.
But I'd like to see a united front to where all races of all people get together and they come together, and it's about safety. It's about our children's safety and our children's education. It's about protecting our homes, our families, our friends.
That's why he's happy to see so many area counties take up Second Amendment sanctuary resolutions. He wants to make sure the Second Amendment is upheld, though he has his limits.
Military weaponizing should not be accessible to the public. That's the department of the ATF. I wouldn't say for home protection an AR-15 with a bump stock would be necessary. It's not. That's an overkill.
This one issue so important to him, a change in party affiliation, may be on the horizon.
I may still remain a Democrat, but I'm going to vote for the Second Amendment rights, period.
Today's cars are smarter and safer than ever.
But when it comes to repairing them, are they also more expensive than ever? News 13's Jennifer Emmerich joins us with tonight's Consumer Report.
You may think new technology comes with hefty repair costs, but a Consumer Reports investigation shows why these safety systems could save you money in the long run.
Many of today's cars are engineered with the latest advanced safety features. They can watch the road, steer back into their lane, and even automatically brake when a crash is imminent. Although investing in advanced safety technology on your next car will raise its sticker price, it will lessen an impact or even avoid a collision altogether. But what happens when these systems need a repair?
These advanced safety systems can't work without sensors. Unfortunately, the sensors are located in these easy-to-damage areas like the bumper or the windshield or the side mirrors.
According to RepairPal, the average cost of a basic windshield replacement runs about $300 to $500. But a replacement for a windshield with advanced safety components could soar anywhere from $800 to $1,900. Although more expensive to repair, Consumer Reports says these advanced safety systems are worth it because they're keeping drivers safer on the roads. According to a recent study, rear-end collision rates in vehicles with forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking were 46% lower than those without these systems. So how worried should you be that you'll get a big bill from the mechanic? Consumer Reports says your car insurance should help.
When you get one of these bills, you might have some sticker shock, but don't panic. You won't pay any more than your insurance deductible.
Consumer Reports says because these systems have become more complicated, it may be harder to find the right mechanic for the job. Ask your dealership if it can handle the repair or if it can recommend a qualified repair shop.